What's going on, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the FoxxD A65. So there's actually a couple different versions of the A65. This is one of the newer ones. This is the A65A1L. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you want to stay in the loop, we got a bunch more, and we'll get right into this. So you want to make sure the phone's off. In this case, it is, and you have your volume up, your volume down, and your power button. And what we want to do is we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume up first, and then I'll hold the power button, and it gets us right into our recovery mode right there. And just be careful because your volume down is okay, and then volume up is to scroll. So we'll scroll to recovery, and then we'll hit volume down under recovery to say that we're selecting that. And then it should load us to the no command screen, but let's see. Sometimes it goes right to the reset depending on the model. And in this case, we got right into the reset. Perfect. So we'll use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, and once it confirm again. So now we're deleting, and we're done. That was quick. In this case, you can either reboot or power off the phone. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. So hit power off, hit enter, or the power button, and it's off. When you turn the phone back on, it's going to load to the welcome screen, and then from there you can navigate to the home screen. Otherwise, we will be doing a teardown on this, so you guys will see the teardown version of that. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.